Hello, hello. All right, so where are my septic tank mamas at? Because of the us. So we're on a septic tank, which means that you can't use things like bleach or normal laundry detergent or normal dishwasher, any of that good stuff, because it will kill the good bacteria in your septic tank and it won't work right. So I picked up this great recipe, is the best word I have for it, to make homemade laundry detergent that is safe for your septic tank. And I've modified it a little bit, but yeah. So 3 cups of baking soda, 1 cup of citric acid, half a cup of Epsom salt, and 1 cup of super washing soda. And then I add a little bit of lemon essential oil into it. I put it all into one big bowl, whisk it up, and all of that will fill 2 of these. And you just need 1 scoop, which I don't have the scoop over here, but you just need 1 scoop, and I think the scoop is like a tablespoon. And run your normal laundry cycle. Done. Clean clothes, unlike my floor, because I'm pretty sure the dog just threw up. All right, you guys, this is my life. Welcome to it. Bye.